Hello and welcome to Easy English, the podcast. I am Zan. Today I am sharing something most people do not know about learning English fast. This is the secret to real fluency in just 5 months. Here is something nobody tells you. Most people try to learn English for years, 5 years, 10 years. Some people try to their whole life and they still cannot speak. But here is the secret. It is not about years. It is about months. 5 months. Just 5 months. With the right plan. Not the old plan. The new plan. The plan I am going to give you today. You have been told to study grammar. You have been told to memorize words. You have been told to pass tests. That is the old way. That is why you are still stuck. Today, I am going to show you the new way. 5 months. One clear plan, real results, and your English life changes forever. This is the secret to real fluency in just 5 months. And if you want to download the PDF file for every video on this channel, you can join our WhatsApp channel 100% free of cost. Link in the description. After watching this video, you can join now. Lesson number 1. The old way versus the new way. Everyone thinks fluency comes from studying. That is the old way. You open a grammar book, you study for 1 hour, you feel tired, you feel bored, you stop. Nothing changes. Here is the new way. Fluency comes from living inside English, not studying it, living it. What does that mean? It means you listen to English every day. You speak English every day, even alone. Even in your room, you do not wait for a classroom. You do not wait for a teacher. You make English your daily life. The old brain says, I need to be perfect before I speak. The new brain says, I speak first, I get better later. That one shift changes everything. Let me tell you about Ahmed. He studied English in school for 8 years. 8 years, but he could not speak one sentence with confidence. Then he stopped studying. He started living. He changed his phone to English. He listened to English podcast every morning. He talked to himself in English while driving. In 5 months, Ahmed got a job interview in English. And he passed. 8 years of studying gave him nothing. 5 months of living gave him everything. That is the difference. Lesson number 2, the month by month secret. Here is what nobody tells you. Every month has a different job. Most people try to do everything at once. Grammar, speaking, vocabulary, writing, listening, all at once. The brain gets confused. The brain gives up. The new way is simple. 1 month, 1 focus. 1 month, 1 focus. Month 1 is for your ears. Month 2 is for your mouth. Month 3 is for your vocabulary. Month 4 is your confidence. Month 5 is for your real world. When you give your brain one job at a time, it becomes very powerful. Think of it like building a house. First the foundation, then the walls, then the roof. You do not build the roof before the walls. That is why so many people fail. They try to speak before they can listen. They try to write before they can think in English. Follow the months. Trust the plan. The results will come. Lesson number 3, the listening formula of month 1 and 2. Month 1 is your listening month. This is the most important month. Here is why. Your brain learns language through your ears first. Not your eyes, not your textbooks, your ears. When you were a baby, you did not study Hindi and Urdu. You listened to Urdu for months. Then one day you spoke. English works the same way. So in month 1, you listen for 30 minutes every day. Podcast like this one, YouTube videos in simple English. English movies with English subtitles. Not Hindi and Urdu subtitles, only English subtitles. Your brain needs to connect the sound to the word, not the translation. In month 2, you start Shadowing. Shadowing is the new secret weapon. You listen to a sentence, then you repeat it exactly. Same words, same speed, same feeling. You copy the voice, you copy the rhythm. Your mouth learns the shape of English. This is not grammar. This is muscle memory. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah was an A1 learner, very basic English. She spent month one only listening. Easy English podcasts, simple YouTube channels. She did not speak. She just listened. In month 2, she started shadowing. Then 10 minutes every morning. By the end of month 2, something magical happened. English words started coming to her mouth automatically. They just come. That is the power of listening first. Lesson number 4. The vocabulary and confidence month. Month 3 is your vocabulary month, but not the old way. Not memorizing long word lists, not flashcards alone. The new way. You learn words inside sentences. You learn words inside stories because your brain does not remember isolated words. Your brain remembers experiences. So every day in month 3, you learn 5 new words, but you learn them in a sentence. You learn them in a context. You write one sentence using each word. Then you say that sentence out loud. 5 words, 5 sentences every day. In 30 days, you have 150 new words. And you actually remember them because you lived with them. Month 4 is your confidence month. This is where most people quit because confidence feels invisible. You cannot see it. You cannot touch it. You can build it. Here is how. Every day in month 4, you speak for 2 minutes alone in your room. Pick a topic. Talk about your day. Talk about your dream. Talk about what you ate for lunch. It does not matter. Just speak. Record yourself. Listen back. You will hear your progress, and progress builds confidence. There is a boy I know named Umar. He was terrified to speak English, even one word. His hands would shake. His voice would disappear. In month 4, he started the 2-minute daily talk. Every single day, just 2 minutes. By week 3, he has speaking for 5 minutes without stopping. 2 minutes a day changed Umar's life. It can change your too. Lesson number 5, the real word month. Month 5 is the most exciting month. This is where everything becomes real. Month 5 is your real word month. You stop practicing, you start using. What does using mean? It means your final real English conversation. You join an online English speaking group. You find a language exchange partner. You comment on English YouTube videos. You write emails in English. You apply for one job that requires English. You put yourself in real situations. Because the final look on fluency is not grammar. It is not vocabulary. Real situations force your brain to activate everything you learn. Month 1 gave you the foundation. Month 2 gave you the rhythm. Month 3 gave you the words. Month 4 gave you the courage. Month 5 gave you the real word. And after 5 months, you are not the same person. You are not the person who said, I cannot speak English. You are the person who says, English is my tool. The word opens. Jobs open. Opportunities open. Your life opens. The practical action plan. These are your new steps. The steps for the new era of your English life. Step number 1, start month 1 today. Not tomorrow, not Monday, not next week. Today, listen to 30 minutes of simple English every day. This podcast is your starting point. Step number 2, in month 2, find one shadowing video on YouTube. Search English shadowing practice. Do it for 10 minutes every morning before your day starts. Now step 3. In month 3, start your 5 words daily habit. Write 5 words every day in 5 sentences. Say them out loud. Do it in a small notebook. Carry it everywhere. In month 4, record yourself speaking for 2 minutes. This is super important. Every single day, use your phone, listen back, notice your improvement. Step 5. In month 5, go real. Find one real English situation every week. A comment, an email, a call, a conversation. Do the real thing, because real is the only thing that counts. Let me tell you why this matters right now. Not in 5 years, right now. The world is moving fast. Jobs are changing. Businesses is going global. The person who speaks English confidently today has an advantage tomorrow. Every month you wait, someone else moves forward. Every month you stay comfortable, someone else gets uncomfortable and grows. You have been waiting long enough. You have tired to old way long enough. Grammar books, vocabulary lists. Fear. The 5 months plan is your new way. Month 1, listen deeply. Month 2, shadow and repeat. Month 3, build your vocabulary inside sentences. Month 4, speak alone, build courage. Month 5, go real, go live. 5 months, one plan, one new you. This is not about being perfect. This is about being consistent. Show up every day, even when it is hard, especially when it is hard, because the version of you that speaks English confidently is waiting. Start today, because your fluency begins when your fear ends. I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.